Hacking is more than breaking rules. It's about understanding systems deeply and making them do new things. This mindset is the foundation of every hacker. The right tools are crucial. Like a craftsman needs good tools, a hacker needs the right programming languages. These languages are your interface with the digital world. They let you craft exploits and automate tasks. Choosing wisely gives you power and speed. Some languages are fast for quick scripts, others excel at complex applications or data analysis. The wrong language can slow you down, while the right one feels like an extension of your thoughts. In hacking, two languages stand out: Python and Bash. Both are powerful, but serve different purposes. Python offers versatility and a huge library ecosystem. Bash provides raw, direct access to the system. Mastering both gives you a major advantage. Python is great for building tools and automating complex tasks. Bash is perfect for quick, direct system interaction. Each language has its strengths. Knowing when to use which is key. The hacker's mindset is about adaptability and choosing the right tool for the job. Let's dive into what makes Python and Bash essential for hackers. Understanding their roles will help you become a more effective operator. The journey starts with knowing your tools. Let's explore what makes each one special. Python is a high-level language designed for clarity and ease of use. Its syntax is readable, making it accessible for beginners and pros alike. Python supports multiple programming styles and has a vast library ecosystem. Hackers love Python for rapid development. You can write and test scripts quickly. It excels at network programming, custom exploits, and tool development. Its readability makes collaboration easier. Python is used for creating malware, automating reconnaissance, and parsing data. Web scrapers, network scanners, and log analyzers are often built in Python. Its integration with other tools is a huge plus. Python's adaptability is its superpower. It's fantastic for scripting complex logic and handling data manipulation. Libraries cover cryptography, web interactions, and more, saving you time. You can focus on the core hacking task, not reinventing the wheel. Python is ideal for building robust, maintainable tools. Its strengths shine in tasks with many steps or decisions. Whether working with text, numbers, or binary data, Python handles it all. Its power lies in making complex tasks simple. For hackers, Python is a true multi-purpose tool. Mastering it opens doors to endless possibilities. Python helps you build tools that scale with your ambitions. Bash is the command line interpreter for Unix-like systems, think Linux or macOS. It's almost always available, making it a hacker's go-to for direct system interaction. Bash lets you run commands, manage files, and control processes from a simple interface. It's perfect for automating system administration tasks. Chaining commands together with pipes and filters is a powerful feature. Bash gives you raw, unfiltered system control. When you access a remote system, Bash is often your first point of contact. You can explore, gather information, and execute programs already on the machine. This immediate control is invaluable. Bash shines for quick, short scripts tasks that need to be done right now. Finding files, monitoring logs, and managing processes are Bash's strengths. For initial reconnaissance, Bash commands are fast and efficient. Its power comes from deep integration with the system. Bash is indispensable for navigating and manipulating Unix environments. It's the native tongue of the system, knowing it gives you an edge. Bash is about speed and directness. It's the tool for immediate, hands-on hacking. Mastering Bash means mastering your environment. It's the foundation for many hacking activities. Bash is the hacker's key to the kingdom. Use it to unlock the system's secrets. Let's compare Python and Bash head-to-head. Python's syntax is clear and readable, making complex scripts manageable. Bash syntax is terse and can be cryptic, but allows for compact commands. Python boasts an extensive standard library and countless third-party packages. Bash relies on system commands like grep, awk, sed, and curl as its libraries. Python scripts are more integrated. Bash scripts often call external programs. Error handling is another big difference. Python uses try-except blocks for robust error management. Bash mostly checks exit codes, which can get messy in larger scripts. Python is ideal for larger projects, custom tools, and tasks needing complex data structures. Bash excels at quick automation, file system operations, and gluing together command line tools. Python is often used for web application testing and exploit development. Bash is the go-to for immediate system interaction and administration. Each language has its place, knowing when to use which is crucial. Python is about building and scaling. Bash is about speed and direct control. Both are essential in a hacker's toolkit. The choice depends on the task at hand. Use Python for complexity, Bash for immediacy. Master both to cover all your bases. The best hackers are fluent in both languages. Adaptability is your greatest asset. Choose wisely, and you'll be unstoppable. How easy is it to learn Python and Bash? Python is praised for its beginner friendliness. Its syntax reads almost like English. Tons of tutorials, books, and courses make it accessible. Many universities teach Python as a first language. You can write useful scripts quickly. Bash is learned by using Linux or macOS. Basic commands are simple, but scripting gets tricky. Debugging Bash scripts can be challenging, and the learning curve steepens with complexity. Many hackers start with Bash basics to navigate and control their environment. Once comfortable, Python opens doors to more complex scripting and tool development. Focus on core programming concepts, variables, loops, conditionals, functions. These fundamentals transfer between languages. Learning to break down problems is key. The language is just a tool. Master the mindset. Start simple, build up, and let your curiosity guide you. Which language fits common hacking tasks? For reconnaissance, Bash is great for quick system enumeration commands like ping, map, and whois. Python, with libraries like requests or scrapey, excels at web scraping and custom network scanners. For exploit development, Python leads with its ability to handle complex logic and socket programming. Bash is better for delivering or triggering existing exploits, not writing them from scratch. In post-exploitation, Bash is invaluable for navigating the file system and escalating privileges. For exfiltrating data, Bash shines with tools like SSEP or NC. Python is used for deploying sophisticated backdoors or custom scripts. For forensics and log analysis, Python's data processing is unmatched. Libraries like pandas are powerful. Bash commands like grep, awk, and ced are perfect for quick searches and filtering. Often a combination of both works best. The right tool depends on the task. Flexibility is a key use both to your advantage. Let's look at simple code examples. For a basic port scanner, Python's socket library makes it easy loop through ports. Try to connect print open ones. This shows Python's networking strength and readability. Hackers build complex tools from such simple blocks. In Bash, finding all suid files is a one-liner find. Type f perm -4000 ls2/dev/null. This command searches for files with suid permission and lists them, suppressing errors. Bash excels at concise, powerful system checks. No need for extensive libraries, just the command line. Python is for building. Bash is for quick action. Both examples show the strengths of each language. Use Python for logic-heavy tasks. Use Bash for immediate system queries. Mastering both makes you versatile. Automation is a hacker's best friend. Bash excels at automating system-level tasks. Think cron jobs or user management. Its strength is orchestrating command-line tools. Python is better for automating complex workflows, especially with APIs or web services. Both are essential for efficient hacking. For network hacking, Python's Scalpel library is king. Craft custom packets, dissect protocols. Bash uses tools like netcat, curl, and nmap for network tasks. Python offers deeper packet-level control. Flexibility is about adapting to different jobs. Python's broad applications go beyond hacking. Bash's flexibility comes from deep system integration. Often, Python and Bash work together. Gather info with Bash, analyze with Python. They're complementary, not exclusive. Knowing both makes you a more effective hacker. Python or Bash? The answer depends on your goals. There's no single best. Each has its strengths. System administrators rely on Bash. Penetration testers love Python. For malware analysis, both are valuable. Your specialization will guide your choice. My advice, learn both, but not all at once. Start with Bash for system fundamentals, then move to Python for power and versatility. Or if you have programming experience, start with Python, then learn Bash. The order matters less than your commitment. The best hackers are polyglots, using the right tool for the job. Sometimes it's a Bash one-liner, sometimes a complex Python framework. The language is just a means to an end. True supremacy lies in the hacker's mindset. Creativity, persistence, and deep understanding. Pick a language, start learning, and build. The journey will show you what reigns supreme for you.